finally we are here.
Two vloggers.
Bakwas vlogger.
It's Nam Road.
Anju got distracted. And like, this weekend, I asked her what we actually enjoy. Why we came here? Okay, this is a So guys, what happened was, we just took few items because we are planning something. What is the plan? You will later know. And this madam is scanning and it's saying invalid. Okay, the QR code is invalid. And like, maybe there might be some network issue and she checked. Okay. इस बंदी ने नेट ही नहीं ऑन किया था. This girl, क्या बोलूं इस बंदी को मैं, क्या ही बोलूं.
होता है, गलती इंसानों से ही होती है.
ठीक है. Let it be a secret. We will see you sometime else. Okay? All because of this girl, guys. All because of this girl. Bro, you can be a famous YouTuber.
She asked, do you have YouTube channel? We are like, yes.
Chod me. YouTubing you? We don't know.
These guys are helping us make vlog. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಬೇಡ. ಯಾಕೆ?
ನಾನು ರಿತಿಕಾ.
ಬರೀ ಡವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ.
ನನಗೆ ಡವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಕ.
These are kids, guys. These are Gen Z, Gen Alpha kids.
ಇವಾಗ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
4-5.
ಹೌದು, 4-5 5-6 ಪಕ್ಕ.
Are your fathers are terrorists?
No.
Because they created a bomb.